One more COVID-19 patient was discharged from the hospital today as Macau continues to register no new cases. Meanwhile, statistics show that the COVID-19 pandemic has dampened the number of flu cases in the public hospital.
The patient discharged today is an 18-year-old resident who was studying in the United Kingdom. He returned to Macau on March the 22nd and was later diagnosed. The teenager is already transferred to the Public Health Clinical Center for a 14-day quarantine. So far, there are still 29 people who are hospitalized for the disease. One of them is in a serious condition. And while the COVID-19 outbreak has dealt a serious blow to the life of many, it has also brought a positive outcome. The number of cases involved patients with flu-like symptoms has plummeted.
I think the most important reason is that we have been keeping distance from each other, and people are paying attention to personal hygiene, wearing a mask, and washing hands frequently. Since most of the flu cases are spread through droplets and contact, as long as we are following our health guidelines, diseases like this can be prevented.
From the latest data collected by the Health Bureau between March the 29th and April the 4th, among patients visiting the emergency departments of the public hospital and Kiangwu Hospital, there were only 1.3 out of 100 adults and 14.3 out of 100 children who displayed flu symptoms. The highest records of those two numbers in recent years are 15 in 100 adults and 40 in 100 children. In the past week, the government laboratory also tested 86 samples for flu. None is positive.
Life is returning to Wuhan, the once deserted epicenter of the COVID-19 outbreak, with people heading out to shopping areas and busy roads. These results shows accelerated videos of vibrant scenes around the city yesterday. Wuhan's virtual lockdown lasted more than 2 months. It began to ease on April 8th, allowing people with valid reasons and the right paperwork to travel in and out the city. The city is still testing residents regularly, even as it sets its sights on normalizing the economy. Concerns remain over an influx of infected patients from overseas, as well as China's ability to detect asymptomatic patrons. The government in Wuhan has tried to reassure the public that it remains vigilant.